Hello, it's Mr. Colley, and in this demo, we're going to be looking at how to use for loops, FOR loops, with lists to iterate around or to loop around every single item in our list. Now, we've had a look at this in previous lessons using while loops, but a lot of the time we have to build in a counter to while loops. The for loop has a built-in counter that we can use that automatically increments, automatically goes up or goes down. We can tell it what to do and how to change. So having a built-in counter is really quite useful for us. What we've got here is a program where we have a file outside the program that stores all the text of a book called Gadsby and stores it as a list of words called word list. That means every word is in the list in order that it appears in the book. Each one's a separate item. And we're going to make a program that checks to see if there are no words containing E found in the book. This is a claim made about Gadsby. I'm just making myself a bit smaller and trying to move myself around there. There we go. So I'm doing this one in an IDE called Replit Online because it already provides me with all the files I need, like the text file with all the words from the book in it, like this. You'll see that this has got all the text files from the book. There we go. So this is it. And so I'm using Replit because it uses some special built-in Python functions that don't come with normal Python. So I've got my program here, and what I want to do first of all is find out how many words there actually are in the book. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a variable called length, and I'm going to assign that the length of the words list. So len word list, like that. That counts how many items there are in the word list and stores it as a number in the length variable. So I'm going to output that first. Print something like there are, comma, length, comma, words in Gadsby. Spacing there. All that does is count how many words there are in the whole text file, this one, and output that. I'm not using the loop yet. What I do want to do is loop through every word and see if it's got an E in it. So what I'm going to do is I want to loop through every word in the word list. So I'm going to start a loop with for, F-O-R. So for every word in the word list, colon, that tells my loop how many times to repeat. So we're going to repeat for each word in the word list. Put my colon so I get my indent and I can put my code into the loop. Now I need selection. If there's an E in the word, so if E is in the word, colon again, because this is selection, and press enter. Now you'll see that's indented again. So this line I'm going to put in is inside the loop and inside the selection. So I'm going to output that word if I find one with an E in it. Print the word. So this should, there we go. And let's run it. So it'll say there are this many words in Gadsby, and it has found these words with E in there. Ernest, Vincent, the, and officers. So it's not true that Gadsby contains no words with an E in it, and I've written a program 9 lines long that helps me see that, rather than having a program that going in, opening the book and inspecting each word manually until I find one with an E in it. So save me a lot of time there.